Hey everybody, I'm Brendan from timeghost. Today I'm going to show you how to make your CVS or Excel exports even more efficient. So buckle in, we're going for a ride. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to dashboards here on the left. And you can see from the data on the graph that I've already put in some specifications in the filter to show you what I want to put in my invoice for this client. So when we go to export, we'll see all the columns that are now available to be picked and chosen in your Excel or CVS file. In the past, all of the columns were there automatically, but now we can pick and choose which ones we want to keep in, which ones to leave out, in case there were no values for those columns. So now we get all of our relevant information packed together in the right way. So I've already made a few selections here. I'll take out client. I just want to see my project, start, summed hours, costs, and the balance. So let's see what happens when I download my Excel. So here we've got the Excel export that I requested. It only has the columns that I chose in the export tab. So instead of having tons of data to wade through, I've got exactly what I want for my invoice at the end of the month. Thanks for watching, everybody, and good luck with your exports.